A bar graph has two axes, x-axis and y-axis. We have two types of data. One is the numeric data showing quantities of fruits in kgs, and the other is textual data, the name of fruits. The axis which shows numeric data is called scale. As on the y-axis, we are showing the numeric data, and our numeric data is in the range of 1 to 40. So, make a scale showing numbers 1 to 40. Now, on x-axis, we will show the names of fruits and will also relate them to their quantities. Like it's given that 35 kgs of apples were sold. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 35 and label it with apples. Now next fruit is orange. Quantity of oranges sold is 30 kgs. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 30 and label it with oranges. Now, next fruit is banana. Quantity of bananas sold is 10 kgs. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 10 and label it with banana. Now, the next fruit is kiwi. The quantity sold is 25 kgs. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 25 and label it with kiwi. Now next fruit is blueberry. Its quantity sold is 40 kgs. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 40 and label it with blueberry. Now next fruit is grapes, and the quantity sold is 5 kgs. So make a rectangular bar up to the mark of 5 and label it with grapes. And our bar graph is ready. This is the graph we just made. Now let's read it. Here the bars are drawn vertically on horizontal axes. This axis is known as horizontal axis or x-axis. The length rectangular bars represent the quantities of corresponding fruits sold in kgs. Length of the bars is measured with the vertical scale along the vertical axis or y-axis. As the numerical data is given on the vertical axis. This axis is the vertical axis which shows 35 kgs of apples sold. Quantity of oranges sold is 30 kgs. Quantity of bananas sold is 10 kgs. Blueberries are sold the most. Bananas are sold the least. So kids, data in the form of charts is much easier to read and represent. It is easier to compare data values. Now let's see another.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!